Right, so I created this simple video tutorial para mabigyan ka ng idea kung paano ka mag-schedule or kung paano ka mag-set ng iyong CompTIA Security Plus or any other IT certification exam kasi almost pare-pareho lang naman sila through Pearson VUE. Okay, so basically, like any other certification, si CompTIA Security Plus, pwede mong i-take ng meron kang dalawang option. So, una, online. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin muna kung ano yung pwede mong gawin or ano yung mga requirements and so on kapag online yung pipiliin mong option. So, meaning, pwedeng sa bahay mo or sa office nyo. Okay? So, kung hindi stable yung power at internet sa bahay nyo, sa office ka na lang mag-exam kung talagang gusto mong online. Or kung talagang diskumpiyado ka pa din, may doubt ka pa rin, piliin mo na lang sa online testing center like in person. Kaya kasi may mga history, may mga members tayo na nag-exam online sa bahay, naputol yung internet nila, na disqualified o kaya naman nawala ng kuryente bigla, saglit lang eh. Kaya syempre madi-disconnect ka, 'di ba? So na-disqualified sila, hindi na nila na-refund. So sayang din. Okay, so ngayon, let's go ahead and see kung paano mag-schedule ng exam online. Okay, so ano yun? So, first things first, kailangan mo mag-sign up or gumawa ng account sa CompTIA. Okay, so, CompTIA.org, okay, puntahan mo lang yan. Actually, pag pinuntahan nyo yan, nandun lang naman. So, gagawin ko lang din itong tutorial na to, isasama natin dito sa course para magkaroon kayo ng idea beforehand, kumbaga. So, nandyan yung, step-by-step procedure. Take an exam online, review, policies and procedures. So, may kanya-kanya silang policy and rules. So, si CompTIA, testing policies, CompTIA candidate agreement, as well as Pearson VUE, testing policy. And then, kapag ka online, meron kang i-install na software which is called Pearson VUE software or OnVUE software. So, kailangan mo mag-run ng system test para ma-check nung software kung pasado yung system requirements mo. Like, meron kasing system requirements. So, kapag ka napasa mo na yon, okay, we're gonna create the CompTIA account. So, ngayon, na-download ko na siya kanina eh. So, ito siya. Okay, yung OnVUE software. And then, na-install ko na rin yan. Okay? So, try kong i-run. Okay? Alam ko, na-run ko na to eh. Okay? Close natin. So, para lang makapag-run tayo ng system test. So, I'm not sure kung mag-work to dahil yung webcam ko right now is ongoing sa recording. So, let's see. Ayan. So, meron na nga siya. Okay? So, as you can see here, meron siyang code. So, this is just for a system test. Okay? So, i-next natin. You are not logging in. Test ng microphone. So, dapat merong maayos na mic yung laptop mo. So, check. 1, 2, 3. So, pasado tayo. Ganon. And then, you also have to check your speaker. So, okay. Narinig ko. Now, so, I'm not sure kung mag-work tong webcam dahil nga in use yung webcam ko right now dyan sa pag-record using OBS. So, I'm gonna try. So, hindi siya na-detect kasi busy yung webcam. Pero, you get the point naman. Okay? So, once you pass this, it will test also your internet connection. And once you're passed, everything is ready. Ibig sabihin, yung system mo can do the online exam. Okay, so yung online exam kasi live din yun. May proctor ka rin. Kaya kailangan ng webcam at saka ng mic kasi papanoorin ka nung proctor mo. Like, for example, like this. Nag-e-exam ka, binabantayan kita. So, that's why kapag wala kang mabilis at stable na internet connection and power, mag-in-person ka na lang. So, let's say for example, pasado ka dito sa mga okay yung system mo sa system test, meaning, ang next step mo na would be creating an account sa CompTIA. So, ito na yon, nag-create ako. Okay, mamaya yan. So, support, for example lang to ha. Okay, so, I'm gonna click this continue. And then from here, so, ito na. Okay, yun na. Makikita mo na kaagad. Actually, meron na nga kaagad eh. So, schedule your exam. Or, pwede mong manage your exam and so on, browse certification and so on. So, since this tutorial is for scheduling your exam, so I'm gonna schedule now. Okay, so ayan na. Nandyan na yung details ko. Are you a US citizen and so on and so forth? No. So, country code, contact information, and so on. So, paano ba ito lagyan? Ayaw niya. Okay, so dapat 6.3. Okay, so yan. So, just for the sake of example, so baguhin natin to. 2198296. Ayan. So, keep private nyo lang yung number ko ha. So, email and so on. Alternate phone, wala. Okay? So, I authorize CompTIA. So, normal na sign up ng ano, and then save updates. Okay? No thanks. So, ngayon, once you save all this information, it will give you the option to schedule kung anong exam or kung anong CompTIA exam ang gagawin or iti-take mo. Okay? So, this is online. So, kung makikita nyo, niredirect niya na tayo sa Pearson VUE kasi nga all exams like any other IT certifications are handled or is handled by Pearson VUE. So, nandito yung mga options mo to take or yung mga CompTIA certification exam na pwede mong i-take. So, for example, CompTIA Security Plus. Okay? So, meron kang option kasi nga si 601 is up until July 31, 2024. Or, pwede ka nang magsimula ng 701. So, sabihin natin 701. Okay? Now, so, ayan. So, nandito na yung option mo to take online or in person. So, kanina, di ba, online yung pinili natin. So, kung in person, for example, online muna kasi online yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? So, ayan. Ito yung requirement. So, your computer needs to pass the system test. Tapos, yung yung testing space mo dapat maayos. So, meron siyang acceptable na mga testing spaces. So, puntahan nyo na lang. Okay? So, dapat meron kang best internet connection, run a system test, which is dapat pasa ka. Choose your prep testing page. So, dapat private, quiet, free from interruptions or, distractions, okay? Well lit, dapat maliwanag, as well as cleared from personal preparatory items. So, papa-check ng proctor yung desk mo kung may mga papel doon and so on. Even yung kwarto, papaganyan niya yung webcam mo para makita niya yung paligid. And then, dapat makalagin ka, may access code and so on. Tips for capturing photos, bawal din yan madalas. Or ito lang yung ipapatake mo na na picture sa'yo. Okay, so hindi ka pwedeng mag-wacky na okay, and then other technical issues. So again, kung hindi stable yung power at internet sa inyo, okay, mag-in-person ka na lang. Okay, so let's say for example, on view yung pinili natin since we are dealing with we are gonna have online. So again, kailangan mo rin ng ID. Okay, ito yung mga acceptable ID. Okay, so passport, driver license, identification, national or local ID, and then other kumbaga legal ID. Okay? Tapos, what to expect? So, check-in is 30 minutes before, and then merong short video para ma-familiar ka sa process. So, nandito yung mga before the test day and then on the test day. Okay? So, may mga tips din si CompTIA like well-rested ka, read all the test instructions, take your time before the exam. Okay? So, there are also some requirements and frequently asked questions. So, nandito naman, ginawa ko lang talaga itong video na to para magkaroon ka ng beforehand idea kung paano siya ini-schedule. So, let's say for example, everything was alright, nasundan mo itong mga requirements na to, pasa ka sa system test, okay yung space mo, okay yung ID mo, and then i-click mo na yung next. And then from here, you are legal, yes. Yes. Of course. Sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, legally, ano ka naman? Resident. So, check mo lang lahat yan. I think, pagka hindi mo kasi yan chinik, hindi ka naman makaka-move forward. So, di ba sabi nung iba, wala naman nagbabasa sa atin ng mga terms and conditions kasi napakahaba eh. Di ba? So, check lang tayo ng check dyan. Okay? So, English, pwede ka rin mag-test ng Japanese as you can see here. And then from here, no change time zone. So, kung gusto mo is yung time zone, so, ayan. Yes. Okay. Bakit ganun? Asia, ano ba tayo? Asia. Wala bang Manila dyan? Ayun, Asia, Manila. Okay, para sure ball. Yes, that's right. Okay, so ayan. And then, from here, makikita mo, pinapapili na tayo ng date kung kailan tayo mag-exam. So, let's take for example, I'm taking my exam on my birthday, March 3. Okay, so from there, papapiliin ka pa kung paano style ng oras. So, 9:30 to 11:45. So, let's take for example, I'm gonna book this appointment. So, minsan, may mga option dyan na hindi ka na, fully booked na yung oras na yun kasi meron ding limit si CompTIA and any other IT certification provider dun sa exam na yun. Kasi si Pearson VUE, nililimit na lang probably a couple of exam takers on that specific time kasi nga may mga proctor na nagbabantay. So for example, I booked this appointment 9:30 ng birthday ko, okay? So kung makikita nyo, wala pa akong binabayaran, nasa dulo yun. So ayan, ito yung babayaran ko. So basically, this is the exact payment na kailangan kong bayaran. So proceed to checkout na or pwede kang magdagdag. So pag proceed to checkout ko to, all I need to do is to put in my credit card. Okay, so pwedeng American Express and so on. So depende na sa inyo. Now, pwedeng Visa or Mastercard, pwedeng GCash. Kung meron ka pang promotional voucher, pwede mong ilagay. So this will gonna stop here dahil hindi ko naman babayaran. Pero you now get the point. That's how we process or schedule an exam online. Okay, so kasi pag nabayaran mo to, successful na dun sa date na pinili mo, makakatanggap ka ng receipt or resibo at saka confirmation. Tapos, few days before dun sa date na pinili or in-schedule mo, isi-send or remind ka uli ni CompTIA. Okay, so that's basically it. Balikan natin. Okay, so that's basically it for online, right? So now, pwede ko ba siyang balikan? Okay, leave this page na. Okay, so that's basically how we schedule an online exam. Okay, now, in person naman, almost the same thing lang din. Parehong proseso lang. Kaya lang, mali. Kaya lang, ang mangyayari doon sa in-person, pipili ka naman ng testing center. So, silipin din natin before we end this short video tutorial para makita mo kung anong meron kapag ka in-person. Pero yung steps and procedure pareho lang. Wala ka lang itetest na system test. Kasi nga, dun ka naman mag-e-exam sa accredited exam center. Okay? So, again, let's go ahead and schedule an exam. So, ganun pa rin. Preferred. So, same information. Okay? Sana na-save niya para mas mabilis. Okay? And then, ang bagal ng internet ko. Anong nangyari? So, ayun. Right? So, ngayon, Security Plus pa rin tayo. Okay? So, again, pwede mong let's say, for example, ang iti-take ko is 601. Pero parawan na lang. Okay? 701 na rin. Para same yung procedure natin. So, ngayon, ito na. Yung option mo, in-person at a test center. So, ito lang ang kailangan mo. ID, tapos what to expect, personal items. Tatanggalin nila yan. Bibigyan ka ng susi sa locker. So, let's say, for example, bibigyan ka lang ng scratch paper, like a pen and a pencil, and then that's it. Okay? So ngayon, let's say for example, meron ka ng valid ID, tapos alam mo na yan, katulad rin lang din naman yan nung kanina. So next, and then, taking, yes, of course, hindi naman ako alien sa Pilipinas. And then from here, babasahin mo lang yan. So wala masyadong cheche-bureche, no? Kasi nga, in-person sa, no, ito yung sinasabi ko. Merong ibibigay sa'yo, for example, na mga malalapit na accredited, Pearson VUE accredited exam center. So for example, dahil ito yung nakalagay na address sa account ko, ito yung binibigay niya by default. Kasi nga, chinecheck niya yung nakalagay na address sa pinilafan mo. So for example, nag-search ako ng Makati, okay? Pwede kong makita dyan yung mga Pearson VUE accredited exam sa Makati. So, MISNet, Trends and Technologies, ACE Testing Hub, and so on. Kung gusto kong ilagay ay, for example, Quezon City, meron dyan. So, kung ilagay mo ay, for example, AMA Education, pwede, Discover, Outbound Education, you get the point. Diba? Now, for example, let's say, for example, Cebu, sa mga lodi natin sa Visayas. Okay? So, ganyan. There. So, makikita mo. And then from there, for example, sabihin na natin ito, pinili ko, okay, may checkmark siya, ACE Testing Hub sa Cebu IT Park. Okay? In-next ko lang siya. Ganun lang uli ang mangyayari. So, pipili ako ng date, sabihin na natin March 3. Ayun, katulad makikita nyo ha, nga naka-block yung ibang date. Diba? Ibig sabihin hindi siya available. Diba? So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, yan, sabihin na natin March 16. Ganun din. And then, book this appointment. So, ganun na. Ipababayaran ko na siya. Katulad ng pinakita natin kanina. Does that make sense? So, ito na. Babayaran 200. So, again, kapag residing ka sa Pilipinas, 226 lang yung exam. Okay? Hindi katulad nung nakapost sa official website na 390 plus. That's basically for US and other first world country. Pero if you're coming or taking the exam in the Philippines, 226 lang. Even if you check dun sa voucher ni CompTIA. Voucher, saan ba yung voucher? Ito. So, makikita mo, 226 lang. Kasi na-detect niya na nasa Pilipinas ka. So, pwede mo rin puntahan niya. Legit yan sa mismong store or online store ni CompTIA. So, 701, ayan yung current Security Plus voucher, 226 lang. So, more or less, mga 12 to 15,000 lang. Okay? Right. So, I guess that's basically it for on how to schedule your exam. So again, before your schedule, or pwede mo nang schedule kung malayo pa, kung meron ka ng budget, and then para meron ka talagang specific target date. Pero pwede rin namang later on na kapag ready ka na. Okay? Pero ang lagi kong reminder, again, pagka magte-take ka online, dapat stable yung power and internet connection mo. Meron kang maayos na room, meron kang maayos na mic, meron kang maayos na PC or laptop, as well as, lightning. Kung hindi naman, mag-in-person ka na lang kasi baka mamaya ma-disconnect ka, ma-disqualified, sayang yung pinang-exam mo. So, siguro naman may mga malalapit na testing exam center sa inyo, like makikita mo naman yon, or pwede mong i-check, gawa ka ng test account, and so on, para makita mo. Pero you get the point. So, I hope by sharing you this tutorial, this video, you now understand kung paano mag-schedule, kung paano ka makapag-prepare with your official certification exam. So, another tip is mag-exam ka kapag ready ka na. So, we're gonna add practice exam in our course and try to check with that before you take the exam. So, kapag confident ka na dun sa mga concepts and terminologies and lagi mo nang naiipasa yung ating practice exam, probably that's the best time to take the exam. So, i-aim mo na first take, perfect agad. Okay? Nang sa ganun, talagang confident ka na maipapasa mo. Okay? So, good luck and I wish you all the best.